LYNN Hardware Company presents the DC9016 series door closer. Suitable for extra heavy-duty commercial applications, including high abuse and high traffic entrances such as schools, hospitals, factories, office complexes, and storefronts. Please note that this door closer is suitable for surface-mounted and only applied for horizontal applications. Included inside each box of the DC9016 series door closer, you will find one door closer body, one parallel arm mounting bracket, one connecting arm, one set of mounting screws and connecting bolts for all three types of mounting options, and one set of mounting instructions. Please read all installation instructions carefully before attempting to install the door closer. To install the door closer, you will need a tape measure, a pencil, protective eyewear, a Phillips and regular screwdriver, a drill, a 1/8 inch drill bit, and lastly, an Allen wrench. Please note, the DC9016 series door closer can be mounted in any of the three following mounting options. The first mounting option is called top jamb mounting. In this application, the door closer body is mounted on the door frame above the door and is mounted on the push side of the door. The second mounting option is called parallel arm mounting. In this application, the door closer is mounted on the face of the door and is used with the parallel arm mounting bracket. This mounting option gives the user a clean installation look, allowing the arm to be mounted parallel with the door. The last and most common mounting option is called the regular arm mounting. In this option, the door closer is mounted on the pull side of the door and the door closer body is mounted on the face of the door. Please choose the most suitable mounting option for your application before following the installation instructions. This particular installation video will demonstrate the most typical installation method called regular arm mounting as recommended by LYNN Hardware. First, loosely attach the connecting arm to the door closer body, using the connecting arm bolt according to the installation instructions included inside the box. Make sure to follow the written instructions for preloading the arm position before permanently securing the connecting arm. Next, overlay the fitting template on the door and door frame using a pencil. Mark the drill hole locations on the door and also on the top frame for the mounting arm bracket. Carefully drill all 6 holes, 4 for the main door closer and 2 for the mounting arm bracket. Position the door closer and arm on the door and adjust the connecting arm length so the arm is at 90 degrees to the front corner of the door. Make sure to position the tube end of the door closer towards the hinge side. Lastly, install all the fixing screws to both the door closer body and the connecting arm, but do not over-tighten. Again, please make sure to refer to the installation instructions to preload the arm angle prior to securing the final forearm screw. When you have finished installing the door closer, open the door to ensure the movement is correct and that the door closer is functioning properly. Also provided is an optional decorative cover to give the user a clean, slimline appearance. Adjustment section. The LYNN Hardware DC9016 series door closer comes with 4 standard adjustment valves and also a power spring adjustment. Please note, do not over-twist the valve screws or you might accidentally remove them. Turn the valves clockwise to decrease the speed of each valve and counterclockwise to increase the speed of each valve. Valve number 1 adjusts the closing speed or sweep speed. This adjusts the closer from 180 degrees or fully open to about 15 degrees. Valve number 2 adjusts the latching speed. The latching speed is the last 10 to 15 degrees of closing right before the door latches shut. The third valve is called the back check regulator. This adjustment is to control the door in the final stages of the opening cycle and helps to slow the door from being thrown open rapidly. This prevents the door from hitting adjacent walls and possibly damaging the door and door closer. The fourth valve is called the delayed action regulator. This adjustment allows you to delay the door from closing from the fully open position. This adjustment is useful in areas where wheelchair access is necessary. Please follow the included instructions on adjusting the back check and delayed action regulators. Lastly, the final adjustment is called the power spring regulator. This regulator adjusts the overall spring tension of the door closer, making it either easier or harder to open or close. Again, please refer to the included instructions on adjusting the power spring regulator. Please note that improper installation can be hazardous and should always be installed by a properly trained professional.